So we're just on our way to Croatia's largest flea market, and it's kind of basically broken up into three parts. So you've got a part here that's kind of on the riverbank, which we're going to avoid. We've got a part that's then for cars, all used cars. You can go there, hundreds of cars to be here where you can sell your car. And normally where they sell the cars, there just be a bunch of people standing outside asking you if they can buy your car from you for a certain price, and then they'll go off and sell it. And then there's the main part, which is the flea market, and they've got everything from antiques to paintings to clothes and all sorts, you'll see. So I'm basically going here and hope to find some old antique home decor kind of stuff. So come and join us and see what they got to offer. So it costs €1.30 for parking. Currently it's going on 11 o'clock, and 11 o'clock sometimes people can be packing up their stalls already, because it starts to get really hot around this time as well. But it's looking good. I get so excited. I love coming to flea markets. How cute is this little dress? This flea market, which is known to most as hrelic, could arguably be one of the best on this side of Europe. It offers something for everyone, from the old to the new, from foods to clothes, antiques and so on, including the most plain and simple looking stalls. The one problem I have here is that I speak English. I don't really have great Croatian, so my Hungarian skills will be a bit crap. I came here with an idea of finding some old candlesticks and some vintage antique looking frames, but you never know what you might come across. So let's see what they have on offer today, as every week can be something different. The one thing I said is don't let me buy any more vases, and the first thing you do is pick up a vase.
But you said you want vases.
No, but I want to see these stuff like this. And this is a cute one, isn't it?
40, how much is it? Proste, koliko vam je ovo tu za svijeće?
All of them are different prices, or? I had my eye on this one. She was willing to sell it to me for €13, but I said I'll come back later. But I'd like a matching. I want a matching one. Evo, hvala puno. While I was editing this, I started to see loads of stuff that I somehow missed while I was there. I'll definitely have to go back.
Gdje? Da boje. Žiraf. She's yelling there that everything is 1 kuna.
She's selling everything for 13 cents in that pile. I really realised that the name of the game is the more you look, the more you find. And sometimes hidden in a pile of what looks like junk, you can find some serious treasures. This flea market is definitely worth a visit if you're ever in Zagreb. It can be quite the cultural experience. Hrelic is open every Sunday from 7 till 3 p.m, although vendors can start to pack up early in the morning, so if you do ever plan to visit here, make sure you arrive early. Trying to haggle with somebody that doesn't speak English can be really challenging. Sometimes you might win, sometimes they might win. This is what I was looking for. How did I not get these? Oh my god, they're beautiful. She seems in good condition. I think she's expensive. I like these. So it's the next day and I just wanted to go through what I got. and kind of go through a few little things. So I would really love if some of you could comment and let me know kind of how much you would pay for those bigger antique-y looking golden vintagey frames, however you call them. Is there a name for them? Let me know. Because I really want to buy some for the house, but I'm not sure how much you're supposed to kind of pay. I know that it varies depending on the size, but I don't really know anything else. So if you have an idea how much that would that frame would kind of go for in your area. There was another lady that sold one, and it was she had three different sizes. One was like 50 euros, another was 30 euros, and another one was like 15. I also want to know how much you pay for candlestick holders, the brass candlestick holders. How much are they going for? So they were kind of going for, the taller ones were about 6 to 7 euros, and the smaller ones were going for about 4 euros. So I think I ended up getting the two of these for 6 euros, maybe, if you can see it there. And I thought this was just a really cute different shape, and then we got a more basic looking one. And I wanted to buy more, but again I said I'll wait and see how much you normally would pay to kind of get an idea and go back and then find ones I really like. I made a paste of salt, vinegar and flour in order to clean the candle holders. So then we also got these frames, which the glass in them doesn't fit from what I've gathered, so we'll take that out. They're very dirty. I'm gonna have to give them a wash, and we'll change the picture that's inside it at the moment. I got 3 of those. It was I got all 3 of them for €1, and I'm currently doing an entryway makeover, so stay tuned for that one. But I needed some little frames to go in it, and I'm hoping that these will fit in. So I'm gonna do those up, put new pictures in them, and see what we think of those. I wanted to give these frames a more aged look, so I brushed into the crevices with some black paint and then rubbed away the excess, and then I went back over again with some gold paint just to top it back up again, and the results turned out perfect. And then I got this one, which I really like this one actually. This was also with the one where the lady was selling the bigger gold frame for, I think it was 13 euros. I kind of wish I got it, to be honest now. I think that's a really good deal. And she was like, oh, well, do you want to take it now? And I said, you know, I'll walk around and then I'll come back and I'll get it. And I never did. I didn't go back and get it. So I'm kind of a bit sad about that one. That was a good deal. Yeah, I'm really happy. I'm not crazy about the tapestry work inside it. It's just not for me. But the frame I like. We got the teddy bears for the dog, which last night I washed them and then gave it to them, and today, well, they've already begun destroying them. Poor monkey. But that was the purpose of them. So that's kind of everything we got. It's not everything that I wanted to get actually. I wanted to get so much more, but I want to go back with a clearer head and know what I'm doing this time. There was a few vendors that I like that were missing. There's one that does really, really beautiful crafted wood. He does be there sometimes, and there's another guy who sells really beautiful art. I suppose this time of year it's quite hot, and I think a lot of people go on holidays. So I'm kind of hoping maybe next month that everybody's back. So tell me if you have any tips or tricks for me for the next time I go. I hope I gave you a little bit of an insight to flea markets in Croatia. Would you like me to do some more? Because I would love to go and do some more flea market shopping, definitely. That's all for today, guys. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.